Welcome. In front of me is a KRUGER MATZ Flow 6, and today I will show you how to perform a hard reset of the device through settings. So to get started, you want to open up Settings up. And from there, let's scroll all the way down to, where is it going to be? Let's go System. Then you have Reset Options. And then Erase All Data, Factory Reset. Right on the bottom, it gives you a message that will remove your Google account, system apps, data, settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, and other user data. So if there's anything that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up before you begin the process. But if you already done it or there's nothing you want to keep, then press Reset Phone and then erase everything, and the process will begin removing all personal data. And once it's finished, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is actually visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. Now I'm gonna go through a quick setup of it, skipping majority of it. So let me just and you can see that we're now on the home screen. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.